Windows 10 high memory usage, unknown reason. A few days ago I updated my PC to Windows 10. However, after some use my PC started to slow down until it was impossible to use. It was due to high memory usage. After a restart, everything came back to normal, total usage around 25% of 8 GB of RAM. However, during a few hours of usage the memory builds up again to 70%, and if not restarted it further goes to 100%, and later on even freezes. Task Manager does not help very much as it does not show all the processes, added screenshots below. Also tried RAMup, but it gives an error refreshing database. I tried Googling this question, yet without much success. I do not know much about PCs, but maybe some of you know this issue, or could help to find out what is using my RAM.
You have a memory leak caused by a driver. Look at the high value of non-paged kernel memory. In your case this is over 3.7 GB. You can use Pullman to see which driver is causing the high usage. Install the Windows WDK, run Pullman, sort it via P after pool type so that non-paged is on top and via B after bytes to see the tag which uses most memory. Run Pullman by going to the folder where WDK is installed, go to Tools, or /Program Files, x86 /Windows Kits /10 Tools /x64, and click Pullman.exe. Now see which pull tag uses most memory as shown here. Now open a CMD prompt and run the findstr command. To do this, open CMD prompt and type cdc /Windows /system32 /drivers. Then type findstr/s_. Where underscore is the tag, leftmost name in Pullman. Do this to see which driver uses this tag. Now, go to the drivers folder, /Windows /system32 /drivers, and right-click the driver in question, int.sys in the above image example. Click Properties, go to the Details tab to find the product name. Look for an update for that product. If the pull tag only shows Windows drivers or is listed in the pull tag.txt, /Program Files, x86 /Windows Kits /10 debuggers /x64 /triage pulltag.txt. You have used Spurf to trace what causes the usage. Install the WPT from the Windows SDK, open a cmd.exe as admin and run this. Spurf on proc_thread plus loader plus pool stackwalk pool alloc plus pool free plus pool alloc session plus pool free session buffer size 2048, max file 1024 file mode circular and timeout -1 and spurf dc /pool.edl. Capture 3060s of the GROW. Open the edl with wpa.exe, add the pool graphs to the analysis pane. Put the pull tag column at first place and add the stack column. Now load the symbols inside wpa.exe and expand the stack of the tag that you saw in Pullman. Now find other third-party drivers which you can see in the stack. Here the thread tag, thread, is used by fcol.exe from gdata. Look for driver/program updates to fix it. The user Christo Huristov provided a trace with a high FMFN usage during unzipping files. The tag is used by the driver, wisp64.sys, which is part of the WISE folder hider program. Removing it fixes the leak. The user Samuel Ditchev provided a trace with a high FMIC and ERP usage. The tags are used by the program Razer Cortex. In the sample of the user CHR0N0SS, the FMIC and ERP usage is caused by F-Secure antivirus suite. Removing it and using Windows Defender fixed the issue for him.
This guy might have a killer networking, previously Bigfoot networking, brand network card. Was going crazy trying to figure out why I had a massive memory leak, even did a completely clean install, and immediately after installing I had a memory leak. Of course I installed my network drivers and video card drivers, but that was it. I searched Google, found this thread saying it was his network driver, then Googled killer memory leak and saw hits for that and found it was the killer app itself and not just in Windows 10. Now I'm golden. So if anyone else has this issue and they have one of the many gaming boards or laptops that have a killer nick, you can probably just disable the killer app from starting. But what I did was completely uninstall the ASRock provided driver and then installed the latest driver only package from the official killer networking site. It's the smaller 30 MB download. If your download is closer to or more than 100 MB, then you got the wrong one. You'll lose everything that makes the killer stand out. It's core software, but that's what a good router is for in the first place. Especially since the killer app only handles the course of applications running on your PC and does nothing for your network as a whole.
The accepted answer by Mahikandre 1981 is the correct answer to this problem. If the RAM usage continues to climb to 100%, then there's most likely a memory leak. However, if you've come to this page because Windows 10's memory usage is high but remaining steady, like in the 60% to 90% range, you probably don't have a problem. Windows 10 uses RAM more effectively than past versions. This is because unused RAM is wasted RAM. Modern operating systems have long swapped infrequently used memory data to a page file on the hard drive in order to free up RAM for more frequently needed memory data. My Win 10 system has 8 GB RAM and a 12 GB page file. However, it is slow to retrieve this data back from the drive, and Windows 10 will compress infrequently accessed memory and store it in the system process, in the RAM. It's faster to uncompress this data than it is to retrieve it from the hard drive, even an SSD. Just because your RAM is mostly full, does not mean you won't be able to run more things. If more RAM is needed, then Win 10 will move some of this compressed memory to the page file to free up RAM for new applications. If you constantly find your system process is using more than 1 GB RAM, like I do, then you probably have too many browser tabs open, like I do. An extension like OneTab can help.
Received this answer out of band from Cooley91, posting it here. Basically it could be adware. Today, I was able to fix it for good by following the instructions in this link. This URL. The fix, basically, a whole bunch of malware and extensions had hijacked common programs and writing on them, buried deep inside rootkits and all. They were almost impossible to detect and remove. This seems to have worked for me as my memory still is 41% after running for almost 2 hours. Phew, before, I had to reboot every 45 minutes.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.